Hello students, how are you all doing? Hope that you must be fit and well. Today we are doing a sum from JEE Mains 2016. The sum reads like this. If fx plus 2f1 by x equals to 3x and x is not equals to 0 and S is a set whose elements are x elements of real numbers such that fx equals to f minus x, then S. There are four options given to this answer, out of which only one is correct and we have to find that correct answer. So we have to say S is an empty set or contains S exactly one element or contains exactly two elements or D contains more than two elements. Out of these four options, only one is the correct answer. See, that means we have to find the number of elements in the set S. That means we have to find the values of all possible values of x given by this relation. Okay, and here it is being told to us that fx equals to f minus x. That means the function fx is an even function. Okay, so what method we will apply for finding the all values of x? See, we will express fx. Okay, we will find two equations of fx in terms of x. Okay, we will find two equations of fx by using this relation. Okay, we will obtain two equations of the fx in terms of x. Okay, and then equate the right hand sides of both the values of fx, and then we will get the values of x. Okay, so see here it is given to us that fx plus 2f1 by x equals to 3x, and it is being told to us that x is not equals to 0. So when x is not equals to 0, so let this equation be, suppose the equation 1 I am putting. Now when x is not equals to 0, so now let us put, okay, x, for x, let us put for x, okay, for x 1 by x, for x 1 by x in equation 1. Okay, so now what we are doing? We are putting for x 1 by x in this equation. Okay, because this is the relation between x and 1, fx and f1 by x and the x. Okay, now we are putting for x 1 by x. So what we will have? So we will have, in place of x it will become 1 by x and plus 2f, and here 1 divide, see here, for x I am putting 1 by x. So what will this become? 1 upon 1 by x will become x. Okay, so when I am putting for x 1 by x, this will become x, and this x will become 1 by x, and here 3, this x will become 3 by x. So this is the second equation. Okay, now see here. Now what we are getting here? Here we are getting that here the coefficient of f1 by x is 2, and here the coefficient of f1 by x is 1. So I want to eliminate f1 by x from the equation 1 and 2. So we will get a relation of fx in terms of x. So let us eliminate f1 by x from these two equations. So multiply equation 2 by 2. So making the coefficient of f1 by x equal, and then we will subtract, okay, one equation from the another equation, and we will get the values of fx in terms of x. Okay, now see here what I am doing. So I am multiplying the equation 2 with 2. So each term I will multiply with 2. So this will become, and this I am writing first. Okay, 2 into 2 will become 4. 4fx plus this will become 2f1 by x. And this will become 3 to the 6 by x. So this is the new second equation. Okay, and write the first equation below it. Okay, and like terms below the like terms. Okay, so here it will become fx. I am copying the first equation below the second equation. So fx here below fx plus this will become 2f1 by x will be equals to 3x. Now what I am doing, this is the first equation. Now I am subtracting the first equation from the second equation. So when I will subtract, so I will change the sign of all the terms in the lower line. Okay, lower equation. So here all plus has been changed to minus. Why? Because I want to eliminate f1 by x from these two and get a relation between fx and x. Okay, so this will cut out because this is 2f1 by x and minus 2f1 by x will cut out. So 4fx minus fx will become 3fx. Okay, and this will become 6 by x minus 3x. Okay, so this is a relation between fx and x. Okay, so now see what we are having now. Now we are having here 3 is common in each term. So here divide throughout, let this equation be third equation. Okay, now 3 is common in each term. So dividing throughout with 3, simplify it. Okay, so now dividing equation 3 by 3, because we will remove that common term, common factor from each term, Okay, so 3 is common in each term, so we are dividing with 3. So this will become fx, okay, and this will become 6 divided by 3. This will become 2 by x minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. So this is x. So fx value is, in terms of x, is this. Okay, so this is suppose equation 4. Okay, now this is, suppose I am writing this as equation 4. One more equation I will frame in terms of x. Okay, now see here. Now what we have, fx is equal to 2x minus 1 by x. So, but it is being given to us that fx is equal to f minus x. So now I am putting okay, minus x for x in the equation 4. In equation 4, what I am doing now, for x I am putting minus x. So what we will have, f minus x, and this will become 2 divided by minus x, and for x I am putting minus x. Okay, so this will become minus 2 by x, and minus into minus will become plus x. So this is the fifth equation. Okay, let this be equation be fifth equation. Now, here it was told to us that fx is equals to, now because fx is equals to f minus x. So, what will happen? We will get. So, this is also equals to fx. Okay. So, therefore, fx is equals to minus 2 by x plus x. Okay. Because f minus x is equals to fx. So, we can write this is equals to fx. So, now from the fourth equation fx is this value, and from the fifth equation the fx is this value. So, both the here the left hand side of both 4 and 5 are fx. So, the right hand side must be equal in 4 and 5. So, therefore, from 4 and 5 equation we get what we get, because the left hand side of 4 and 5 are both fx. So, the right hand side must be equal. So, we will get 2 by x minus x will be equals to minus 2 by x plus x. Okay. So, what we are having now here, I am taking these terms that side, but I am writing in this side, but we are taking these all terms that side. So, this will become, I am writing x minus x going that side, it will become plus x. Okay. And this will become minus 2 by x, and plus 2 by x going that side is minus 2 by x, and is equals to 0. Okay. So, now what we are having? Now, we are getting here. Okay. Now, simplify this and solve the equation, because this is the equation in terms of x only. And by solving this equation, we will get the values of x. So, x plus x is 2x, and minus 2 by x minus 2 by x is minus 4 by x is equals to 0. Okay. Now, simplify this, solve this equation. So, this is common LCM is x. So, this become 2x squared minus 4 is equals to 0. Okay. Now, so this value is equals to 0. So, the numerator must be 0. So, 2x squared minus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, then the numerator should be 0. So, we are getting this is equals to this. So, divide by 2. Okay, or you take 2 as LCM common, 2 common between these two. So, x squared minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so what we have here now 2x, and now this is the difference of 2 squares factorized by the difference of 2 squares, square root of x squared, x minus root 2 into x plus root 2 is equals to 0. So, solving this equation, what we get? We get either this expression is 0 or this expression is 0. So, when I am taking this expression is equals to 0, so from here we are getting x value is equals to plus root 2, and when this expression is equals to 0, from here we are getting x equals to minus root 2. So, what are the possible values of x? Here it is minus root 2 and plus root 2. So, how many terms, so how many values of x we are getting? We are getting the values, 2 values. So, these here S is what? S is the set containing the elements x. So, S should be actually the values of x. So, what are the values of x? The values of x are minus root 2 and plus root 2. So, these will be the elements of S. So, how many elements are there in S? There are 2 elements. Okay. So, that was asked that how many elements are in S. So, S contains exactly 2 elements, which are minus root 2 and plus root 2. So, the correct option is C. Okay. So, that is the correct option. I hope that you must have understood this sum very clearly. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Okay, stay fine. Thank you.